Road trips, daily commutes, long drives, and unexpected emergencies all have one thing in common. The right car gadgets can completely transform your driving experience. From powerful charging solutions and smart organizers to emergency tools that could save your life, today we're counting down some of the most useful, innovative, and must-have car gadgets available right now. These are the products making drivers' lives easier, cleaner, safer, and way more convenient in 2026. Whether you're a tech lover, a frequent traveler, a rideshare driver, or someone who simply wants a better driving setup, this list has something for everyone. Some of these gadgets solve problems you deal with every single day, while others add premium-level convenience you never knew you needed. So buckle up, because these are 15 car gadgets that are absolutely worth checking out. Running out of battery while using navigation, streaming music, or taking important calls can instantly ruin a drive, and that's exactly where the LISEN retractable car charger comes in. This powerful 4-in-1 charging solution is designed to keep your entire setup organized while delivering fast charging performance for multiple devices at once. It features retractable Type-C and Lightning cables that extend smoothly and disappear back inside to eliminate messy tangled wires all over your dashboard. With an impressive 84W power output, including a 45W PD USB-C port, this charger can easily handle smartphones, tablets, and other essential gadgets simultaneously. The 180-degree adjustable design makes it easy to position in almost any vehicle, while the shockproof construction keeps everything stable even on rough roads. It's compatible with the latest iPhones and Samsung devices, making it perfect for modern drivers who rely heavily on their tech. Whether you're commuting daily, traveling with family, or heading out on long road trips, this gadget keeps every device powered without turning your car into a cable disaster. Modern vehicles are packed with touchscreens, glossy displays, tablets, and smart devices, but fingerprints and dust can quickly make everything look dirty and distracting. The CUIUD Touchscreen Screen Cleaner Kit is a simple but incredibly useful gadget designed to keep every screen crystal clear wherever you go. Its compact lipstick-sized design makes it easy to store in your glove box, center console, backpack, or even your pocket. The cleaning solution is alcohol-free and ammonia-free, making it safe for sensitive users while protecting delicate screens from damage. Just spray, wipe with the microfiber cloth, and your display instantly looks fresh and polished again. It works perfectly on car infotainment systems, phones, tablets, laptops, mirrors, and monitors. The reusable microfiber cloth can also be washed and reused repeatedly, making it practical for daily use. If you're someone who hates smudges, fingerprints, or dusty displays while driving, this tiny gadget delivers a surprisingly satisfying upgrade to your car's overall cleanliness and premium feel. One of the biggest problems inside any car is loose bags sliding everywhere during turns, sudden stops, or quick acceleration. The Amooca car headrest hooks solve that problem instantly with a simple yet incredibly practical design. These heavy-duty hooks attach directly to your headrest posts and create extra storage space without taking up room inside the cabin. They're strong enough to hold grocery bags, purses, backpacks, coats, umbrellas, shopping bags, and more, supporting up to 55 pounds each. The 360-degree rotating feature allows you to position them exactly where you need them and rotate them away when not in use for a cleaner interior look. Installation takes only seconds and requires absolutely no tools. What makes these especially useful is how they transform wasted space behind the seats into organized storage that keeps your essentials secure while driving. Whether you're a parent, commuter, delivery driver, or frequent traveler, these hooks help keep your vehicle neat, clutter-free, and far more comfortable during everyday use. The HOTOR Portable Car Vacuum is far more than just a vacuum cleaner. It's basically an all-in-one emergency and cleaning tool built for modern drivers. This compact gadget combines vacuuming, blowing, inflating, and emergency safety features into one portable device. With up to 20,000 PA of suction power, it can easily clean dust, crumbs, dirt, pet hair, and debris from seats, carpets, cup holders, and tight spaces inside your vehicle. It also includes multiple nozzles and accessories for inflating cushions, cleaning keyboards, or blowing dust from electronics. But what truly makes this gadget stand out are the built-in emergency tools, including a seatbelt cutter and window breaker designed for dangerous roadside situations. The cordless rechargeable design makes it extremely convenient for travel, and it even doubles as a backup power source for charging your phone when needed. Whether you're cleaning your car after a road trip or preparing for emergency situations, this gadget combines convenience, safety, and functionality in one surprisingly compact package. Dust has a way of getting into every tiny corner of your car, keyboard, dashboard vents, and electronics, and cleaning those tight spaces is usually frustrating. The WOLFBOX MegaFlow 50 changes that completely with a powerful turbo fan capable of reaching up to 110,000 revolutions per minute. Unlike traditional disposable air cans, this electric air duster is rechargeable, reusable, and built for long-term use. It includes multiple speed settings and interchangeable nozzles that make it perfect for cleaning car vents, cup holders, dashboards, keyboards, gaming setups, cameras, and other electronics. Despite its impressive power, it's incredibly lightweight and portable, making it easy to carry anywhere. The battery can last up to 240 minutes on lower settings, giving you plenty of cleaning time before needing a recharge. For drivers who care about maintaining a clean and dust-free interior without wasting money on disposable compressed air cans, this gadget delivers serious cleaning performance in a compact design. Sometimes your car becomes your office, dining table, or workspace, especially during long trips, breaks, or busy schedules. The JUSTTOP car steering wheel desk turns your steering wheel into a surprisingly functional workstation within seconds. One side includes a flat surface with a cup holder designed for meals and drinks, while the opposite side features a dedicated laptop-friendly workspace complete with a pen slot. It's lightweight, portable, and easy to store behind seats when not in use. Installation is incredibly simple. Just hook it onto the steering wheel, and you instantly have a stable surface for eating, working, studying, or writing. The durable ABS material keeps it sturdy enough for everyday use while remaining lightweight for travel convenience. For remote workers, rideshare drivers, travelers, students, or anyone spending long hours inside a vehicle, this gadget adds an unexpected level of comfort and practicality that can genuinely improve daily routines on the road. A low tire can quickly turn a normal drive into a stressful situation, but the AstroAI L7 tire inflator helps you handle tire pressure problems anytime, anywhere. This compact, cordless air compressor is designed for speed, convenience, and accuracy. Equipped with advanced true-gauge technology, it delivers highly accurate pressure readings while inflating tires quickly and efficiently. The device supports multiple preset modes for cars, motorcycles, bicycles, and sports equipment, making it useful far beyond just emergency roadside situations. Despite weighing less than 1 pound, it packs enough power to refill multiple tires on a single charge. The automatic shutoff feature prevents overinflation, making it beginner-friendly even for drivers who've never used an air compressor before. It also includes a built-in flashlight with SOS and strobe modes for nighttime emergencies. On top of that, the USB ports allow it to function as a backup power bank for your phone or electronics. Compact, smart, and extremely practical, this is one gadget every driver should keep inside the trunk. Interior lighting can completely change the atmosphere inside a vehicle, and these wireless LED car lights offer a simple way to create a premium modern vibe without complicated installation. Featuring 7 vibrant color options, these compact lights can instantly brighten dark spaces inside your car while adding stylish ambient lighting. The touch-sensitive controls make changing colors quick and easy, while the magnetic mounting system allows effortless installation almost anywhere inside the cabin. You can place them in cup holders, storage compartments, armrests, seat corners, or footwells to create a customized lighting setup. Because they're wireless and USB rechargeable, there's no messy wiring involved, making installation clean and beginner-friendly. Beyond vehicles, they can even be used around the house, inside closets, or for reading at night. For drivers looking to add personality, visibility, and a modern luxury feel to their interior, these small lights deliver a surprisingly impressive transformation. Every driver knows the frustration of dropping keys, coins, cards, or even a phone into the tiny gap between the seat and center console. The Hiseanllo car seat gap filler completely eliminates that problem with a simple but highly effective design. Made from premium PU leather with a soft sponge interior, these fillers slide perfectly into the seat gap to block items from disappearing into unreachable spaces. They're waterproof, durable, easy to clean, and designed to stay securely in place even while adjusting seats or driving over rough roads. Installation takes only seconds, but the convenience they provide lasts every single day. Besides preventing lost items, they also help keep the car interior cleaner and more organized overall. Compatible with most cars, trucks, and SUVs, this two-pack setup covers both driver and passenger sides. It's one of those gadgets you don't realize you need until you start using it, and after that, you'll never want to drive without it again. Phone mounts have become essential for navigation and hands-free driving. But the LISEN MagSafe car mount charger takes things to another level by combining secure mounting with fast wireless charging. Designed for the latest iPhones and MagSafe-compatible devices, this charger delivers up to 15W fast charging while keeping your phone stable during drives. The premium cooling system helps prevent overheating, ensuring reliable charging even during long navigation sessions. It supports multiple installation methods, including dashboard and air vent mounting, giving drivers flexibility depending on their vehicle setup. The one-click release system allows easy phone attachment and removal, making daily use extremely smooth and convenient. Even on rough roads, the mount stays secure thanks to its stable adhesive and vent mounting system. For drivers constantly relying on GPS, calls, or music streaming, this gadget removes the hassle of charging cables while keeping the phone perfectly visible and accessible throughout the drive. In emergency situations, seconds matter, and the Amazon Basics Emergency Escape tool is designed specifically for those critical moments when quick action can save lives. This compact 2-in-1 device combines a powerful tungsten window breaker with a sharp seatbelt cutter, giving drivers a reliable emergency escape solution during accidents, flooding, or vehicle fires. The double-head hammer is significantly stronger than standard steel and is built to shatter side windows quickly when needed. Meanwhile, the hidden blade safely cuts through jammed seatbelts without risking injury during use. The bright orange handle improves visibility during stressful situations, making it easier to locate quickly in emergencies. It also includes a protective bracket for safe storage inside the center console or door pocket. While nobody hopes to ever use a tool like this, having it inside your vehicle provides peace of mind that could make a massive difference in life-threatening situations. Keeping a car clean during road trips, commutes, or family travel can feel impossible, especially when trash starts piling up everywhere. The HOTOR Car Trash Can provides a simple but highly effective solution for maintaining a cleaner and more organized interior. This collapsible trash container can easily attach to headrests or center consoles using its adjustable strap, giving everyone inside the car convenient access. The waterproof and leak-proof inner lining helps contain spills, food wrappers, tissues, drink cups, and other messes without creating stains or odors inside the vehicle. One of the smartest features is the magnetic snap system, which makes replacing trash bags incredibly quick and easy. Beyond trash storage, it can also function as a storage organizer or even a mini cooler for drinks and snacks during travel. Whether you're a parent dealing with kids, a rideshare driver, or someone who spends a lot of time on the road, this gadget helps maintain a much cleaner and more enjoyable driving environment. Small details can make a huge difference inside a vehicle, and the SINGARO car cup holder coaster is a perfect example of that. These silicone coasters are designed to protect your cup holders from spills, scratches, crumbs, and annoying rattling noises while driving. The thickened silicone material absorbs vibrations and prevents cups from sliding or making loud noises on bumpy roads, creating a quieter and more refined driving experience. The raised edge design also helps contain liquid spills before they spread throughout the cup holder area. Installation is effortless. Simply place them inside the holder, and cleaning takes only seconds with water or a damp towel. They fit most standard vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, and trucks. While they may seem simple at first, these coasters help keep interiors cleaner, quieter, and more premium-looking every single day with almost zero effort required. A clean car simply feels better to drive. and the Armor All Wipes kit makes maintaining that freshly detailed look incredibly easy. This all-in-one cleaning set includes dedicated wipes for interior cleaning, glass cleaning, and surface protection. The cleaning wipes remove dust, dirt, and grime from dashboards, doors, consoles, and other surfaces without damaging delicate materials. The glass wipes leave windows crystal clear and streak-free, removing fingerprints, bugs, and road residue for better visibility. Meanwhile, the protectant wipes help shield interior surfaces from UV rays and oxidation, preserving that fresh showroom appearance over time. Because everything comes in convenient disposable canisters, you can quickly clean your vehicle anytime without carrying sprays or towels around. Whether you're preparing for a road trip, maintaining your daily driver, or simply trying to keep your car looking newer for longer, this kit offers a fast and satisfying cleaning solution. A dead battery is one of the most frustrating problems any driver can face, especially when help isn't nearby. The NOCO Boost GB40 is designed to solve that problem instantly with serious portable power packed into a compact device. Delivering 1,000 amps of peak power, this jump starter can revive dead batteries in seconds and handle engines up to 6.0L gas and 3.0L diesel. The ultra-safe technology includes spark-proof and reverse polarity protection, making it safe and beginner-friendly even for drivers with zero mechanical experience. Beyond jump-starting vehicles, it also functions as a portable power bank for phones, tablets, and other electronics. The built-in LED flashlight includes multiple emergency modes, including SOS and strobe lighting for roadside situations. Despite its power, the entire device is lightweight, rugged, water-resistant, and compact enough to fit inside a glove box. It's one of those gadgets you hope you never need, but when you do, it can completely save the day. So those were some of the smartest, most useful, and genuinely practical car gadgets every driver should know about right now. From powerful emergency tools and portable inflators to smart organizers and premium tech accessories, these products are designed to make driving safer, cleaner, easier, and far more convenient. Whether you're upgrading your daily commute, preparing for long road trips, or simply improving your car setup, these gadgets bring real-world value that you'll actually use every day. Let us know which gadget was your favorite, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech, gadgets, and automotive gear coming soon.